Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to divide a line segment of a given length into a given ratio internally. Suppose we have to divide a line segment of length 8 centimeter into 6 equal parts. A line segment of length 8 centimeter is to be divided into 6 equal parts. So first of all, the first step will be to draw the line segment in of given length. Suppose it is 8 centimeter. So we have to draw a line segment 8 centimeter like this. This is 8 centimeter. We can name this line segment as AB, as we have done in the previous part where we learned how to divide the given line segment into equal parts. In the same way, we will make two angles at the vertices A and B respectively, and both should be of equal measurement. You can draw an angle of 30 degree or an angle of 45 degree or an angle of 60 degree, because 60 degree construction of 60 degree is very simple. That's why we are drawing here an angle of 60 degree. So this is how we will draw an angle of 60 degree. This angle is okay, this angle is 60 degree, and at the vertex of B again we will draw an angle of 60 degree, but in the opposite side of the line segment. You should remember that both the angles should be in opposite side of the line segment. Okay, the shape will look like this when you have completed the construction of two angles at the vertices A and B. It should look like this. Now mark 6 points, means we are dividing the given line segment in a given ratio. Suppose we have to draw the given line segment AB in the ratio 4:3. Okay, 4:3. 4:3. In 4:3 ratio, we have to divide the line segment AB. Then what is the sum of 4 and 3? The sum of 4 and 3 is 7. So we will mark 7 points on these arms. Okay, so first point, this is one thing you have to keep in mind, that both the radius, while you are marking the points, the radius of the arcs should be same. Don't change it, otherwise it will be wrong. So this is first cut, first, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and this is seventh. We can produce this arm also. If it is not sufficient, then we can produce this arm like this, and again mark 7 points on the edge of another angle like this. One, first cut, second cut, third cut, fourth, fifth, this is sixth cut, and this is 7th. Okay, in this way we have to mark the points. Now we can do it directly. We can name the points, like in the previous topic we have done. Along the edges of the angle made at vertex A, we name the points as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. In the same way here, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. Now we can join the points. As I have told you, we have to join two points whose sum is 7, means the sum of the suffixes should be equal to 7. Why 7? Because we are intended here to divide the given line segment AB in the ratio 4:3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. That's why we are joining those 2 points whose sum is the sum of the suffixes should be 7. So here A0 is joined with B7. Okay, so this line should be a dotted line, not a solid line. This line should be a dotted line. In this way, you can see this is not a solid line, this is a dotted line. Then in the same way, join B0, this is B means B0, join B0 with A7, so that sum of the suffix is 7. Again this line should be a dotted line. Okay, in this way. Now we will add, actually these two lines are not compulsory to draw, but this has some significance, so that it is advised that you should draw these two lines. Otherwise, if you do not draw these two lines and directly you can join A4 with B3, again you can see A4, the suffix is 4 and the suffix with B3 is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So you can do it directly, but it is suggested that you should join these two lines also. So A4 will be joined with B3. 4:3. Line segment, the name of line segment is AB. It is not BA. We are dividing line segment AB in the ratio 4:3. So from the side of A, it should be 4, and from the side B, it should be 3. That's why we are taking A4. And this A4 is joined with B3 in this way. Okay, and this line should be a solid line, this way. So you can see when we join A4 with B3, this is a line segment, and this line segment intersects AB at point P. Okay, suppose this point is named as point P. Now we can say AP by BP. AP by BP will be equal to 4 by 3. That is, if you write in the ratio form, then it is equal to AP is to BP equal to 4:3. Okay, so this is how a line segment is divided into a given ratio.